Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, myself Sushil Paralkar, roll number 27, division C. My group member name is Vaibhav Alavane Siddesh Gode and Shubham Bahire. Today we study and prepare a chart for our task raw material converted into final component. This activity possible due to under guidance of Professor Srikant Kulkarni. Thanks sir. Let's start our video.
In this project, we collect information regarding raw materials converted into final component into various industries and prepare an outline process chart. Basically, raw materials are used in manufacturing industries to making products. What are raw materials? Raw materials are materials or substance that used in primary production or manufacturing of products or goods. What are final component or product? Final product are products that have passed or completed the manufacturing process, but they are not yet sold or distributed to final consumer. What are the raw materials needed to make the product? The materials are ready to use for making different products called manufactured goods. Technical materials are common materials used to make manufactured goods. Glass, steel, aluminum and metal, plastic and ceramics, planks or concrete are the materials that are example of raw materials. How raw material converted into final component? Let's take an example here. We take aluminum sheet as raw material and soda can as final component. In first process, the aluminum sheets coil loaded onto an machine that called as uncoiler. That machine unrolls the aluminum sheet and it helps the aluminum sheet to flow smoothly for shaping process. In next process, a large machine called cupping press start the can shaping process. The press cuts circular discs from the aluminum sheets and form them into shallow cups. Then the cups drop from the press onto the cup conveyor. In next process, the cupping press, the cups are drawn up to higher cups through a series of iron rings, and now the aluminum is starting to look like a can. In next process, the top of can are trimmed up to make them even. Each can is same height and width. In next process, a washer cleans and dries the can bodies. In next process, the cans goes to printer where 6 to 8 colors of ink placed on can at the same time. Then the can spins around as the label is applied. Then coating is applied that makes outside of the can shiny and protects the applied paint. In next process, the can goes to oven where the can's paints and coating are baked onto the can to prevent chipping. In next process, the can's inside is coated with a spray. In next process, the can goes to bake in oven again to seal the coating onto can. In next process, the top of can is now made narrow. The narrow neck is where the lid of the can will be placed once the can is filled. In next process, the bottom of can reform at this point. Then in next process, all finished cans are goes to tested for leaks, and a light tester can find holes that smaller than a human hair. In next process, the cans are put on pallets and that shipped to soft drink companies. In next process, lids of can called can ends are separately made and shipped separately to companies. So this is all process that how raw material converted into final component. This is outline process chart. Basically, outline process chart is chart that gives an overall view process by recording only the main operation and sequences in proper sequence. In this chart, the circular symbol shows or represents an operation and square symbol represents the inspection or checking for quality and quantity. Finally, conclusion of this project. We studied about how raw material converted into final component, that process used in industries and its main process of the manufacturing.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.